Good evening to everyone. My name is Elena Bortolazzo. I am from the Research Center on Animal Production of Reggio Emilia in Italy. And I'm going to introduce you the Seq-cure project. The Seq-cure is the short name for Integrated System to Enhance Sequestration of Carbon Producing Energy Crops by Using Organic Residues. Where we are in Italy, in the north part, in the Emilia-Romagna region. And this is the Emilia-Romagna region. We are working with this project in 8 out of the 9 provinces in which is divided the region. This is a Life 3 project. It's a life environment. And it started on the 1st December 2006, and now we are going to finish soon because it finishes on the 30th June this year. The total budget was about 2 million euros, and the beneficiary was the Research Center of Animal Production. Our scientific responsible was il Professor Giovanni Riva. We have a lot of partners. The Fondazione CRPA, a cooperative, Terre Emerse, 2 experimental farms, 1 farmers union, and the Max Planck Institute from Germany. As co-founders, we have the Emilia-Romagna region, the different provinces of the region, and 2 companies which provide water and energy. The main objectives of the project was the promotion of the startup of short agroenergy production chains, sustainable both from the environmental and economic point of view. The reduction of environmental impact by using organic residues, the increase of farmers and technicians' knowledge and aware about GHG emissions and carbon sequestration, and the development of a simplified model for the calculus of the GHG emissions and the carbon sequestration. This is an overview of the project, which is quite articulated. We have 4 tasks, demonstrative, and we developed these tasks in 8 demonstrative farms in 8 provinces. The first one was related to the cultivation of energy crops in these farms. Most of them have energy conversion plants, small energy conversion plants. We monitor the energy crops production and also the energy efficiency of these smaller plants. We reused the residues from these plants, especially the ones from biogas, into the agronomical part. I mean the cropping, and we measure GHG emissions and carbon stock exchanges. This part was useful for a web application we did. We used a model created by the Max Planck Institute to calculate GHG emissions and carbon sequestration. We use data from our fields to calibrate that model, and we implement a web application which is available in our website, which is a friendly application for technicians mainly, and also for farmers if they want. The inputs are very easy or simple to have. They are soil characteristics, crop rotations, fertilization practices. And the outputs are, I'll show you two simple examples that are N2O emissions and carbon sequestration in soil. All the information we produced with this project, we are disseminating through intensive courses, demonstration days, information days, articles, our internet site, newsletters. We also have an European orientation group where different people from Europe, experts from Europe, meet and discuss about the development of the project. And we have two instruments that are very useful, especially for farmers and for technicians, that are the biomass information offices that are like email contacts where farmers or anyone can write an email and ask for issues about the project or about the biogas, oil, and good short chains, and an expert from our Seq-cure team answers them, and work groups where stock changes, where the people involved in this short change participate and discuss about the problems of this change, And now we are going to prepare our final conference, which will be by May this year. And that's all.